How to change country in Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to change Google Play Store's country. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Google Play Store on your device. Make sure that you have signed into your account. Now tap profile icon at top right corner of the screen. From here, if you wish to, you can also change your Google Play Store's account as well. Once done, tap Payments and Subscriptions option. Now select payment methods at top of the screen. You have to wait for a moment and tap More Payment Settings at bottom of the screen. A new interface opens. Once it opens, tap on Add a Payment Method at bottom of the screen. And again a new site opens where you can easily add your credit or debit card number, the date, cardholder name and billing address. From this billing address, you can easily change your country in Google Play Store and tap the save button. So that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.